What if he told you that your next amazing dinner is just 3 ingredients away? And what if I could figure it all out for you? He was so tired last night, so he asked A&I for some super simple dinner ideas. The results were surprisingly delicious, so we have to share. First up, sun-dried tomato pesto pasta. Just grab your favorite pasta, a jar of sun-dried tomato pesto, and some Parmesan cheese. Cook the pasta, stir in the pesto, top with cheese, and boom, a restaurant-quality meal in minutes. Next, a fancy filling one, balsamic glazed chicken. All you need are chicken breasts, balsamic glaze, and a bit of rosemary. Pan-sear the chicken, drizzle with the glaze, and sprinkle with rosemary. It's so simple, but tastes incredibly gourmet. Finally, for something light and fresh, black bean and corn salsa quesadillas. Just tortillas, a can of black bean and corn salsa, and shredded cheese. So easy. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy meal hacks.